Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening to my beloved lecturer Dr. Huraizah binti Arsyad, and to my most respectful friends. My name is Amirul Nur Iman bin Ramli, and today I will present about defect in building. So without any more waste, let's begin. Let's start with what is building defect. Building defect is a fault, damage, or imperfection in a building that causes it to fail to perform its intended function. This may affect the building's safety, strength, comfort, functionality, or appearance. Building defect can occur due to poor design, low quality materials, faulty workmanship, construction error, environmental factors, or lack of maintenance. If left untreated, this defect may worsen and lead to higher repair costs and safety risks. So today, I will talk about three types of building defect, which is firstly, civil defect. Civil defect refer to problems related to the public structure and finishes. This defect affect elements such as walls, floor, roof, and drainage system. Example of civil defects include wall crack, moss growth, leaking waste pipe, sink drainage problems, and shower drainage blockage. Civil defects usually occur due to poor workmanship, material failure, environmental factor, and or lack of maintenance. And secondly, which is mechanical defect. Mechanical defect involve failure or malfunction of mechanical system used in the building. This system helps support building operation and comfort. An example of mechanical defect is a water pump that does not work, which can disrupt water supply to the building. Mechanical defects are often caused by equipment wear and tear, improper installation, or insufficient maintenance. And lastly, electrical defect. Electrical defects are related to problems in the electrical system, including wiring, switches, lighting, and power supply. A common example is a light that does not light up. Electrical defect may occur due to faulty wiring, lost connection, damaged component, or poor installation, and they can pose safety risks if not properly handled. So here, as we can see in the slide, moss growth on the building. This occurs due to excess moisture and poor sunlight exposure. Due to exposed water and rain, the moss became to grow in the building. Although it may seem minor, moss can damage building surface and affect the building appearance. So how to prevent this defect? We can prevent it with proper drainage system and adequate sunlight, and ventilation should be ensured. And we can maintain the building by regular cleaning and regularly remove the moss with suitable cleaning agent. Also, leak should be repaired promptly and gutter must be kept clear. So here we can see three types of defect moss growth on buildings. Next, I will talk about wall cracks. Wall cracks commonly occur due to foundation settlement, poor workmanship, low quality materials, moisturized movement, and thermal expansion. In this slide, we can see this defect happen due to poor workmanship and low quality materials. We can prevent this from happen by proper structure and foundation design that must be assured, and use a quality material. The construction work must follow and the approved drawings. And as for the maintenance, the wall should be inspected regularly and minor crack must be sealed early, while major crack required professional repair. Moisture around the building should also be controlled. And number 3 defect, which will be the leaking waste pipe. Leaking waste pipe are caused by poor installation, damaged pipe, loose joint, corrosion, blockage, and material deterioration. To prevent this defect pipe must be installed correctly with proper alignment and slope. Durable materials should be used and plumbing work must be follow standard. We can maintain it by inspect the waste pipe regularly. Blockage must be cleared immediately and damaged pipe must be replaced and loose joint must be tightened. Okay, so next, which is sink performance issue. Sink performance issue include poor drainage, leakage, low water pressure, bad audio, and unstable fixtures. To prevent this problem, sink should be installed correctly using quality fitting with proper drainage design and sufficient water pressure. We can maintain it by clean sink and trap regularly. Leak must be repaired immediately and worn out component must be replaced. And another common building defect is an electrical defect where the light does not light up. This problem may be caused by faulty wiring, loose connection, damaged switches, blown bulb, trip, circuit breakers, or poor installation. The defect in this slide show that because of lost connection and faulty wiring. To prevent this defect, the electrical system must be installed by qualified electrician according to electrical standard. Good quality electrical components should be used and proper testing should be carried out after installation. Maintenance can be done by regular inspection of lighting system, and faulty bulb, switches or wiring should be replaced immediately. And electrical work must be handled by trained personnel to ensure safety. The next defect is shower drainage blockage. This defect usually occurs due to hair accumulation, gas like show up in the slide. The shower blockage can cause water ponding, unpleasant odors, and hygiene issues. To prevent shower drainage blockage, floor trap should be installed properly and drainage pipe must have correct slope. Drainage cover or strainers should be used to trap hair and debris. For maintenance, shower drainage should be cleaned up regularly to remove hair and dirt. Blockage must be cleared immediately to avoid water overflow. Periodic inspection of drainage pipe help ensure smooth water flow. And lastly, I will discuss a mechanical defect which is water pump does not work. A water pump is essential to supply water for plumbing, HVAC, or fire safety system. The pump may stop working completely due to motor failure, electrical problems, pipe blockage, worn out seals, corrosion, or lack of maintenance. To prevent water pump from failure, pump should be installed according to manufacturer guideline. High quality pump and components should be used, and proper piping design should be ensured to avoid blockage or backflow. Regular testing of the pump operation after installation is also recommended. And for the maintenance, water pump must be inspected regularly. Electrical connection and motor performance should be checked. Worn out damaged parts such as seals, bearings should be replaced. Pipe connection to the pump must be cleaned to prevent blockage. And by doing this, the pump can function reliably and avoid complete failure. In conclusion, based on the inspection, 5 building defects were identified. These include 3 most defects, 2 wall crack, 1 leaking waste pipe, 1 sink performance issue, 1 electrical defect where the light does not light up, 2 shower drainage blockage, and 2 water pump malfunction. Most of the defects are civil and plumbing related, mainly caused by moisture, poor drainage, and lack of maintenance. Electrical and mechanical defects were fewer but still affect building function and user comfort. In conclusion, regular inspection and proper maintenance are important to prevent defects from becoming serious problems and improve the overall performance and lifespan of the building. That's all from me. Thank you.